इससे प्रेशर नहीं बिल्ड करना है अपने ऊपर, ठीक है। जब देना ही है तो गिव योर बेस्ट टू योर गोल. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ड्रीम दैट यू हैव सीन, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू. बिगेस्ट ड्रीम. इतना बड़ा ड्रीम आपने आज तक देखा नहीं है, इसीलिए इतनी ज्यादा मेहनत भी आपने आज तक नहीं की होगी, तभी वहां पहुंचोगे. जो मेहनत आज तक नहीं की है वो करोगे तभी वहां पहुंचोगे जहां आज तक नहीं पहुंचे थे, ठीक है. तो मेहनत आप ही को करनी है और फोकस के साथ करनी है. मेहनत तो लेबर भी करता है. यहाँ पे जो बाहर बच्चे खड़े हैं वो भी रोज सुबह 7 बजे आते हैं, आप 9 बजे आते हो और रात को 11 बजे जाते हैं. मेहनत कर रहे हैं वो भी, बट आपके जैसा अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला है उनको, ठीक है. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस, यू पीपल आर हाईली ब्लेस्ड to have this opportunity to prepare for UPSC. Utilize it in the best possible manner. This opportunity does not strike every door. Right? आगे बढ़ें, ठीक है. फोकस रहना यार. अगर सीरियसली देखो, आपके साथ मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन है, मैं ये बार बार बोलता रहूंगा जब क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा. कितना बैच आज तक खत्म हो चुका है, राइट? मोर देन 50 आई थिंक फॉर मी. आई जनरली डोंट मीट दो स्टूडेंट्स अगेन until some of them get selected या कुछ ऐसा आया कभी तो. But I tell the same thing because from the depth of my heart, this is I enjoy doing this. If you ask me one work that I enjoy doing this. I can take your class, after that another class. I've taken 9-10 hour classes, and still I don't get tired because I love doing this. Right? I love doing this because I have understood this process well. I have understood these relations well, and I want to convey to you. Same ways, enjoy the process that you are doing. Enjoy the process of preparation. Don't enjoy or don't dream day in day out about becoming an IS. Enjoy this process. Whatever you are learning, try to learn it for your lifetime. One go. Don't ask me, sir, how much time should I give to this chapter? Depends. Maybe you'll understand it 10 minutes, maybe you'll take 2 days. But give it all the time that it needs so that in one go, once it is done, आप कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ खड़े होने चाहिए. पूछ लो. देखो आप इतने सारे बच्चे हो, सब बहुत, मुझे नहीं पता who has read what, but I stand here firm and confirm, right, with lot of confidence in me. Ask me whatever you feel like. Why? Because I know what to answer, and I also know where to say I don't know with confidence. If I don't know, I will not fool you. I will say I don't know. Why? Because that is not required. So I know the boundaries of this exam based on my experience. If still UPSC asks something and you come back and tell me, sir, ये तो पूछ लिया आपने बोला था, I would say sorry, because as per me, it shouldn't have been asked. If it's an exceptional question, it is not meant to be answered. ठीक है. एग्जाम तब नहीं निकलता जब आप वो क्वेश्चंस आंसर करो जो कोई नहीं कर रहा. There is a trick to this exam. The trick is you should do all the easy questions 100% right. In the prelims, there are 3 levels of questions. Now let me tell you this: the simple, the medium, the difficult. The difficult questions are given to fool you, right? The simple questions is where you crack this exam. Ensure that you do not make mistake in the simple questions. Ensure that most of your medium questions are also done. That's where your preparation counts. If you are able to do the simple and the medium questions, right, and if you do a basic tukka kind of a thing with some of the difficult, you are through. For clearing, you don't need to do all the difficult questions. You have to rather leave them. Leave rather than getting a negative mark. ठीक है. So you should know what I know and you should also know what I don't know. वो भी पता होना चाहिए. This is one question I don't know and I should not give time. ठीक है. And if this feeling comes to you, maybe I know but the others, I don't know but the others know, then you have not prepared well. If you have prepared well, then if you don't know the question, you would also know that most of the others would also not be knowing. Because I know that I have read my books well. I know I have done my current affair well. If I don't know, how would others know? अरे समझ में? Right? And let me tell you, very few people only are serious. You have the potential, but in this whole class, only 30 or 40 students would really be preparing for this exam. Remaining would be wasting their time or partly preparing. Partly कुछ नहीं होता लाइफ में. ठीक है. Partly prepare करके you are preparing for SSC and state level exams. You are not preparing for UPSC. Right? So either you prepare for UPSC or you don't prepare for UPSC. Then you are preparing for something else. That's a different thing. ठीक है. So be among those 30-40 and gradually you will go on, going higher and higher and finally select. And it is as simple a process. It is. I have seen people sitting like you and one day वो यहाँ खड़े होकर lecture दे रहे होते हैं. पहले question होता है how to prepare for UPSC with a question mark. बाद में वो question mark हटा के full stop लगा के यहाँ खड़े होकर dialogue मार रहे होते हैं. how to prepare for UPSC. I will tell you. ठीक है, एक बार सेलेक्ट हो गए तो आप भी इधर ही आके खड़े होगे, आप ही के जैसा बहुत सारे बैच में से आके खड़े हो चुके हैं, मैंने देखा है. ठीक है, so clear. So be focused for the exam, don't become scholar, have the administrator's approach, limit yourself, always find out what is the benefit of doing this, is it going to come in the exam, वैसा चलना है. If you are focused, then things will be okay. All right. Now, so we are left with last 10 minutes. Let me take you to